Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can have barcode on our computer. There are many barcode generators available online, but in this tutorial I'm not showing any generator, but we can download barcode font we can download by just browsing through google.com and search as barcode font, and you can use any website. So I'm just using the first website itself. It is barcode sync, yes, barcodesinc.com. Okay, here I can download something. This one, download the code 39 true type barcode font. So yes, this gets download here, means yes, this is the zip file. What I need to do is I should go to that particular downloaded place. Yeah, and I should double click on this. Yeah, I need to click on this install button. Once the installation is done, that's it. If I open my MS Excel or MS Word, and if I try to find this barcode font, where is this? What I'll do is I'll just restart this. Yeah, I have taken a new this one Excel sheet, and here what I'll do is I'll just search for this font name. Font name is with, it should be here. See here this barcode. Yes. So now even I type anything, see here, this is what I typed and this is converting into barcode. This is how you can have barcode on your laptop. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.